Cooking is an adventure, a boundless realm where creativity knows no limits. It's a chance to express yourself, to experiment with flavors, and to create something truly unique. A journey of discovery that lets you travel the world from your own kitchen. Each dish can be a new destination, a new culture to explore, all through the power of taste and aroma. Every new spice is a stamp in your culinary passport, a memory of a place, a flavor, a moment in time. They are the building blocks of countless recipes, each with its own story to tell. Many think creating flavorful food is hard, that it requires years of training and a mastery of complex techniques. But the real secret is understanding spices, learning how they interact with each other and with different ingredients. It's about unlocking their potential and harnessing their power. Just a pinch of the right blend can transform a meal into something memorable, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's the difference between a simple dish and a culinary masterpiece. That's the magic of cooking, and it's for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a complete beginner, there's always something new to learn, something new to create, and something new to enjoy. Today, I'll share one of my favorite Chinese kitchen secrets, a blend that has been passed down through generations, a staple in countless homes and restaurants, Chinese 5-spice powder. This blend is a powerhouse, a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue and awaken your senses. Simple ingredients, complex flavor. It's a testament to the power of balance and the beauty of simplicity. It's versatile, friendly, and the key to unlocking a new dimension of taste, a world of culinary possibilities that you never knew existed. Spices are the soul of aroma. They fill the air with their intoxicating scents, drawing you in and tantalizing your senses. They tell a story. Chinese 5-spice tells a story of balance, a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, and rich tradition, a culinary heritage that has been refined and perfected over centuries. Passed down through generations of cooks and chefs, each adding their own personal touch to the blend. It's designed to touch every element of taste, creating a complete and satisfying culinary experience. So join me as we explore this incredible blend together and discover the secrets that lie within its fragrant depths. We'll uncover its secrets, revealing the individual spices that make up this iconic blend and understanding how they work together. And see how it can elevate your cooking, transforming simple dishes into culinary masterpieces that will impress your friends and family. Cooking is about experimenting and having fun, so don't be afraid to try new things and to put your own spin on classic recipes. By the end, you'll have a new friend in your spice rack, a versatile and flavorful ingredient that you can use in countless ways, ready to inspire bold, delicious meals. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. What is this magical blend? Chinese 5-spice powder is a cornerstone of Chinese and Taiwanese cooking. It's a finely ground mix of 5 spices, but the 5 refers to balancing sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and pungent flavors. The goal is harmony, a complex taste profile that's unique and well-rounded. You'll find it in kitchens across Asia, flavoring everything from braised meats to crispy duck. Its aroma is warm, sweet, and slightly licorice-like, with a peppery kick. Unlike Western blends, 5-spice is a complete flavor system in one spoonful. It's sweet, spicy, and savory, never one-dimensional. The blend works wonders on rich meats, cutting through fat and enhancing flavor. It's a shortcut to authentic Asian taste, perfectly balanced in one jar. For busy cooks, it bridges the gap between simple home meals and restaurant-level flavor. Truly, it's a taste of China in a bottle. Let's embark on a sensory journey to meet the 5 spices, the very heart and soul of this extraordinary blend. Each one contributes a unique note to the symphony of flavors that make this blend shine, a cornerstone of Chinese culinary tradition. It's a carefully curated combination, where each spice plays a vital role in creating a harmonious and complex flavor profile. First, star anise, with its captivating aroma and distinctive star shape. Sweet, fragrant, and the soul of the blend. It infuses the mix with a licorice-like sweetness and a warm, inviting aroma that forms the foundation of the blend's character. It's the key to that signature 5-spice fragrance. Next, cloves, small but mighty in their flavor impact, intense, aromatic, and adding deep warmth. These potent buds bring a pungent, slightly bitter note that balances the sweetness of the other spices. They provide a comforting, grounding element. Chinese cinnamon, cassia, a close relative to the cinnamon we know, but with a bolder personality, brings bold, woody sweetness, contributing a robust and slightly spicy flavor, and a spicy edge. It's the element that adds a touch of familiar comfort while still maintaining the blend's unique identity. Sichuan peppercorns aren't true pepper, defying expectations with their unique properties. They add a citrusy, floral kick, a bright and zesty note that awakens the palate, and a tingling mala sensation. This distinctive numbing effect is what sets Sichuan peppercorns apart, creating a truly unforgettable culinary experience. Finally, fennel seeds, offering a gentle counterpoint to the bolder flavors. Mild, sweet, and herbaceous, tying everything together. Their subtle anise-like flavor harmonizes the other spices, creating a well-rounded and balanced blend. Each spice brings its own character, a distinct personality that contributes to the overall complexity, but together they create a balanced symphony, a harmonious chorus of flavors that dance on the tongue. Star anise and fennel provide sweetness, a delicate and aromatic foundation. Cinnamon and cloves add warmth and depth, creating a comforting and inviting sensation. Sichuan peppercorns surprise, adding an unexpected twist to the flavor profile. With their numbing, lively sensation, it's a playful and intriguing element that keeps you coming back for more. Fennel smooths out the boldness, acting as a bridge between the different flavors, harmonizing the blend, ensuring that no single spice overpowers the others. The result? A perfect balance of sweet, spicy, a symphony of flavors that tantalizes the taste buds, and savory. It's a complex and nuanced flavor profile that elevates any dish. This blend is more than the sum of its parts. It's a testament to the power of synergy in the culinary world. It's a flavor chord, not a single note. A complex and layered experience that unfolds with each taste. That's why it's so beloved in Chinese cuisine. It's a fundamental ingredient used in countless dishes to add depth and complexity. Every spoonful is a taste of centuries-old culinary wisdom, a connection to the rich history and traditions of Chinese cooking. And it's ready to transform your cooking, adding a touch of magic to your culinary creations. The history of five spice is as rich as its flavor. Rooted in ancient Chinese philosophy, it embodies the balance of yin and yang and the five elements. Early cooks believed balancing sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and pungent flavors was essential for health and satisfaction. The blend evolved as spices traveled along the Silk Road, with regional variations emerging. Over time, it became standardized into the 5 core spices we know today. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its brilliant design. Five spice is a culinary classic, beloved across Asia. In Chinese cooking, five spice is an artist's palette. It's a classic rub for meats, think pork belly or Peking duck, infusing them with deep aromatic flavor. It stars in braising liquids and stews, giving slow-cooked dishes their signature warmth. A pinch in marinades or stir-fries instantly adds complexity. It even finds its way into batters for fried foods, creating a fragrant crust. The blend's magic is its ability to balance rich meats and fresh vegetables alike. It's sweet, spicy, savory, and aromatic, all at once. That's why it's a hero in the Chinese kitchen. Its versatility is truly astounding. Ready to bring five spice into your kitchen? Start small. It's potent. Begin with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon for a dish serving 4. It pairs beautifully with rich meats like pork, duck, and beef. Try it with sweet ingredients. Mix a pinch into a honey or hoisin marinade for a classic glaze. For maximum flavor, bloom the powder in a little oil before adding other ingredients. This awakens the spices and deepens their aroma. Don't be afraid to experiment beyond Chinese recipes. Add it to barbecue rubs, holiday roasts, or even gingerbread cookies. Its warm notes of cinnamon and clove fit right in. The key is to be playful and curious. Think of it as a new color on your palate. Let your taste guide you. Cooking is about discovery. Enjoy the process. Let's explore some simple dishes where five spice can truly shine. We're going to take a look at how this versatile blend can elevate your everyday cooking, adding depth and warmth to familiar recipes. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor with just a sprinkle of this magical powder. For a truly delicious roasted chicken, start by creating a simple yet impactful dry rub. Combine salt, pepper, and of course, five spice. The aromatic notes of the spice blend will penetrate the chicken, creating a symphony of flavors. Be generous with your seasoning. Rub the mixture all over the bird, ensuring every inch is coated. Don't forget to lift the skin and get some of that flavorful goodness underneath. This will ensure that the meat is infused with the spice from the inside out. Now, roast the chicken as you normally would. As it cooks, the five spice will work its magic, creating a juicy, fragrant, and utterly irresistible centerpiece for your meal. The aroma alone will have everyone's mouth watering. Craving something quicker? For a speedy and satisfying stir-fry, marinate bite-sized chicken pieces in a mixture of soy sauce and 5-spice. This simple marinade will tenderize the chicken and infuse it with a savory, slightly sweet flavor. Heat up your wok and stir-fry the marinated chicken with aromatic garlic, fresh ginger, and vibrant broccoli florets. The combination of flavors and textures is simply divine. Feel free to add other vegetables you enjoy, like bell peppers or snap peas. In just minutes, you'll have a warm, flavorful meal that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. The 5-spice adds a unique depth that elevates this simple stir-fry to something truly special. What about roasted vegetables? For a colorful and nutritious side dish, toss chunks of carrots, sweet potatoes, and parsnips together in a large bowl. Drizzle the vegetables with olive oil, season generously with salt, and then sprinkle with 5-spice. Roast them in a hot oven until they are tender and beautifully caramelized with slightly crispy edges. The 5-spice enhances the natural sweetness of the veggies, creating a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. It's a simple way to transform ordinary vegetables into something extraordinary. Even humble rice can benefit from a touch of 5-spice. After cooking, stir in a pinch of 5-spice, a splash of soy sauce for umami, and a drizzle of sesame oil for a nutty aroma. This simple addition transforms plain rice into a fragrant and flavorful side dish that complements a wide variety of meals. It's a quick and easy way to add a touch of Asian-inspired flair to your cooking. These recipes are just a starting point, demonstrating how incredibly easy it is to incorporate this versatile blend into your cooking. There are no complicated steps or fancy techniques required, just simple ingredients and bold, unforgettable flavor. Start with these basic ideas, and we're confident that you'll soon find yourself reaching for your 5-spice blend again and again, eager to experiment with new and exciting flavor combinations. It's all about taking those everyday, ordinary meals and transforming them into something truly extraordinary, something that excites your palate and nourishes your soul. So, let the unique and complex flavors of 5-spice inspire your culinary creativity and encourage you to step outside of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to try it in unexpected places, experimenting with different cuisines and flavor profiles to discover your own signature 5-spice creations. When it comes to 5-spice, the possibilities are truly endless. From savory to sweet, there's no limit to what you can create with this versatile blend. So, embrace the adventure, have fun in the kitchen, and most importantly, enjoy the incredible flavors that 5-spice has to offer. The genius of 5-spice is its harmony. Star anise and fennel bring aromatic sweetness. Cinnamon and cloves add warmth and a hint of bitterness. Sichuan peppercorns provide a tingling, lively sensation. The blend is never just sweet or spicy. It's layered and complex. Each bite is a sensory experience, sweet, spicy, savory, and aromatic. It balances rich foods and keeps your palate engaged. That's why it's so versatile and beloved. Every dish becomes a complete flavor journey. This is the magic of balance, perfected over centuries. We've explored the world of Chinese 5-spice from its roots to its uses. Now it's your turn to start the adventure. Find a jar, open it, and let the aroma inspire you. Start with simple dishes: roast chicken, stir-fry, or veggies. Remember, start small and let your palate guide you. Cooking is creative. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try 5-spice in unexpected recipes. You might discover a new favorite. Your spice rack is a treasure chest. Let 5-spice be your next gem. Use it to bring new life to family meals and explore bold flavors. Every dish is a reflection of your creativity. The adventure awaits. Unlock those flavors and have fun cooking. For more amazing food and drinks, tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous. Hey.